model, lot area 89 square meter, floor area 85 square meter. Then ito yung ating main door, living area with high ceiling. Then dining area, room for ground floor, toilet and bath. And then living area going to second floor. Going to second floor with 2 bedrooms. Ito naman yung ating master bedroom. Yan. Then yung second room, bali 3 bedroom po siya. Toilet and bath, second floor. Yan. Ito po yung ating Avina model complete turnover unit. As you can see, ganito na siya pagka turn over po sa inyo. Okay, thank you for watching.